General Lee.
50-50 tickets.
Got Chuck.
Are you shooting all the cars, or?
Oh yeah, just the Mopars.
Yeah.
Just
Oh, Mopar?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. Let's go see that Dodge over there. Ooh, Arctic Thunder, eh? This was bussin', man. This was crazy. I wonder what's packing in this thing. Nice. What year is that baby?
21.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Thanks.
Any work done to it?
It's very factory.
Very factory? Are you keeping it that way just for value kind of thing?
100%.
100%? Yeah.
Reliable that way too.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want to avoid that warranty, right?
No, it's still got some warranty left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
I feel it's a little selfish to want more than 700 horsepower.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, let's check this out. What year is this thing?
14.
14? Nice. How long did you have your ride for?
Since 19.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. Now that was the time to get it.
Yeah.
Now they're all marked up like crazy.
Now, yeah, they're just shooting
You
straight
got
up.
in just before the hype.
I just fell into it by accident. I was looking for a hot rod. I was thinking of grabbing a C8. I actually had my name down for a C8.
Yeah.
And then when I saw that thing at the dealership under the lights, it looked like a diamond in the friggin' case.
Yeah, amazing.
I said, there's no way I can't take this home. I just
100%.
made the deal on the spot and drove it home.
Yeah.
And then I went to GM and took my deposit back.
Yeah?
Or else I would have had a C8 in the driveway.
Yeah. Have you tracked your Viper at all?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
I don't know if I want. I don't know if I trust myself.
Is it good on gas?
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's a V10, but it's healthy.
Yeah. Now, for your Viper, do you have a hard time locking up? It looks pretty good.
I got pretty good tires on it.
Yeah.
Once you figure the car out, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Come and have a look at the build sheet from Chrysler for this car.
Let's see this.
That's worth a picture.
Now, wow. What? That's the build sheet?
Yep.
$3,000.
Got it.
Amazing. When was this? Holy 69. This yours?
It's his.
Nice.
I got this little girl.
Okay. 69, eh? You bought this right from factory, eh?
No, that's
Oh, you found the build sheet.
that's the original window sticker they used to have in those
Where
days.
did you find that? Like the window sticker?
There's a guy in the States that produced it for you based on the information you provide him, and the serial number and all the option codes.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, and he's got all the prices and everything, so
Okay.
he can figure out what it originally sold for.
Nice. Where'd you pick this thing up?
Oh, that's Minnesota car.
It's a Minnesota card. What do we got here? Elegance with attitude. 1968 Dodge Charger. Oh, this guy's yours?
Yeah,
Nice.
my son built the car, the model for him.
Oh, wow.
And the other son found me the turntable on Amazon.
Yeah.
So, well, I got to display that at the car shows.
Where'd you pick this thing up?
Well, it came from California. I got it in Mississauga in the early 90s.
Really?
Yeah, somebody brought it up from there and
The good old days.
couldn't keep it for one reason or another.
Yeah.
Going through a divorce. And so we put it back up for sale. I got $5,000 back then.
This was $5 grand? Get out of
It
here.
looked like that though.
How much money did you put into it?
About another 100
Not yeah?
on top of the 5, yeah.
Yeah. What did you get all done with it?
Yeah, I got it done at National Moparts up in Beaverton. They
Okay.
did the full resto for it.
So it's a full resto.
Oh yeah, they
Yeah.
went right from, we had it all stripped right down. And we changed a few things, put the disc brakes on the front, put the 440 in it. It was a 383 car originally.
Right. How do you like the 440 compared to the 383?
Well, it was originally just a 2-barrel. See, it was a factory air 2-barrel automatic power brake, power steering car.
Yeah. Okay.
That's how it was shipped to California. But
Yeah.
but so now we got the tweaked up 440, and I got a 3-speed torque flight with a gear vendor overdrive on it, 323 shore grip in the back.
Nice. Wow.
It's got some oomph, but it'll still cruise nice too.
Yeah. Yeah. For both the
And
track.
comfortable with the AC on.
Have you taken it to the track at all?
No, I haven't yet. I keep planning to, but,
Yeah.
but one thing or another keeps getting in the way.
100%.
But we're working on it.
How much horsepower do you think you're pulling off of this baby?
Oh, 4.5 easy.
4.5, yeah?
At least, yeah, maybe close to 5. I don't know. I'd
Yeah.
have to dyno it and get it tweaked a little bit.
Oh, that'd be
A bit,
phenomenal.
So, yeah.
Is that a 4-barrel in there?
Yeah, it's a Holly 750.
750, big boy.
Yeah, and it's been mild polish competition cam.
Yeah.
And it's got ceramic headers going through the Flowmaster mufflers.
Flowmaster mufflers, 3-inch all the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I put the RT, it's not an RT, but I put the RT tips on the end.
Oh, so you up-badged. Just kidding.
They asked me if I wanted to put the stripe and stuff on it, and I said the shape of this car.
Yeah.
I think less is more because it's got such nice lines already.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, 100%. Was this the original color?
No, it was a metallic brown.
Metallic brown, yeah?
Yeah, but a guy at a body shop showed me this color. He said, I think your car would look nice like that.
Yeah.
So, okay, well, let's try it and see. And when it first came out the paint booth and it was all stripped down, I wasn't sure, did I make a right call here? But once we put the chrome and the black vinyl roof on and everything, I think it blends nicely.
Yeah.